My first YouTube channel crashed and burned big time. Without realizing it, I wasn't giving my audience what they really wanted. After years of experimentation, I learned to align my message with what my audience wants. Then boom, my videos got noticed, clicked, and loved. It's not as clear and simple as it sounds, so let me walk you through the process. Let's start with something so obvious, most of us forget about it. People come to YouTube for two things in mind: solving a specific problem or fulfilling a desire. And guess what? If you want them to click onto your video, you got to explicitly address one of them in your thumbnail, title, description, and within the first 15 seconds of your video. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Now, let me give you an example. Say your niche is all about weight loss. Your audience's immediate want might be something like, I want an easy way to lose 5 pounds AP. A weight loss expert, you know there's no magical shortcut, right? So in your video, you can hook them with a title and a thumbnail like lose 5 pounds quickly, but then educate them on a healthier approach that involves some cardio, cutting out soft drinks and sugary snacks, and doing some daily exercise. But wait, there's more. You also got to tap into their desired transformation. See, most of us want something better in our lives, like the perfect body, a dream relationship, more wealth. So sprinkle in hints of that desired transformation in your content, title, and thumbnails. For our weight loss example, mention fitting into a smaller size, being healthier, looking better, and feeling more energetic. These are the transformations your audience is likely yearning for in the back of their minds. Now, let me share with you a little secret. When I was struggling, I noticed that my competitors' videos were getting a lot more attention than mine. It didn't seem fair, but I had an aha moment. I started tweaking my titles to be similar to theirs, and guess what? It worked like a charm. More views. I did it by finding out the trigger words and phrases they used in their titles, thumbnails, and descriptions that would appeal to their audience's immediate wants. But I didn't stop there. I went all in by crafting the first 15 seconds of my video to address a key idea my competitors' viewers were interested in. I made sure that idea was echoed in my thumbnail, title, description, and the video itself. And guess what? Bingo! It blew up my views like crazy. Here's the lesson. If you don't give your audience what they're searching for, even if your content is pure gold, no one's going to click it. So include one of their trigger words or phrases and watch the magic happen. All right. Let's put it all together with a real-life example. Imagine you're making a video about video pacing. Now, here's the deal. No newbie YouTuber is going to search for video pacing. It's just not on their radar. So instead, you got to tackle their immediate need, like improving audience retention. Work that phrase into your thumbnail, title, description, and within the first 15 seconds of your video. That's what's going to grab their attention. But hey, don't leave them hanging. You link it back to the concept of pace, either in your thumbnail or title, and give them a taste of what's to come. Once they're hooked, they'll stick around to see how pace relates to viewer retention and learn how to adjust it for maximum success. By this point, they're invested. They've made a commitment to your video and they're likely to keep watching. And that's how you take your channel to the next level. So remember to align what your audience wants with their desired transformation and your content ideas. Before we go any further, check out this complete guide to how to leverage your competitors' videos to boost your views.